This is Marilise from Crafting Makes Perfect. Let me show you how I do a marble-inspired gel nail design. There are many different ways to do a marble nail, but the technique I'll show you today is done by mixing different color gel polishes while they are still wet. The beauty of this design is that no matter what you do, no one can tell you it's wrong, so feel free to experiment. You will need a thin tip brush, mixing dish, lint-free wipes, a gel nail lamp, and your favorite gel polishes. I'll put a link to the gel I'm using in the description below. I would recommend using 3 neutral colors, a light, medium, and a dark, such as white, grey, and black. Then also use a contrast color to make your design pop, like this dark teal color. And lastly, add in a sparkle color, like the silver, to make your nails look extra special. Here are some extra examples of color schemes you can pick from if you like, or just use any colors you prefer. I've already done my nails with a white polygel, but you can also do this marble design on your natural nail or over acrylic nails. To prep my polygel nails, I'm lightly filing it, just to give my gel polish extra grip and prevent lifting. After filing, always dust off and cleanse your nails to get rid of any dust particles. Now you are ready to start off with the base coat application. When working over polygel, I go straight for the base coat, but if using the mascara range on natural nails, you will first need to use the Dehydrate, then Protein Bond, and then your base coat. As each brand is slightly different, please make sure to follow the application and curing directions of your chosen brand. Place a drop of each of your colors on your mixing dish and apply a thin, even coat of your lightest color. Because I'm working over white polygel with white gel polish, I won't cure the white gel, but go ahead and start my marble design immediately. Using the thin tip brush, pick up some of the dark grey gel. Apply this color in curved and wiggly free-flowing stripes across your nail to mimic a marble texture and lightly mix it into the still wet white gel polish. Clean the tip of your brush and then pick up a little bit of your contrast color. Apply this over and next to the grey stripe and softly mix it into the grey and white. Clean your brush tip again and now pick up your black. Darker colors can easily dominate your design, especially when working on white, so only take a little bit at a time and apply sparingly. Now the basic steps are done, but the lines still look very harsh, and for marble you want to go for a more softer, blended and feathered type of look. So while all the colors are still wet, pick up some of your white gel polish and apply it next to your stripes. Now you'll want to softly and carefully swirl your white into the other colors, so the colors can create a soft blend. Clean your brush regularly to keep your colors crisp. Lastly, you'll want to add a bit of your sparkle color. When you are happy with how your marble design looks, clean up any mess you might have made on your skin using a cuticle stick and then cure your gel polish for 60 seconds. And that's really all there is to doing your own marble nails. Of course, you will need to repeat the process on any of your other nails that you would like to paint. If you feel comfortable with the technique, you can paint a few nails at a time. For my design, I'll do all of my nails with the white beneath, except for my ring finger. I love making my ring finger slightly different, so I'll skip that nail for now. Once again, you need a wet, white coat of gel to start with, then add in the dark grey stripes and swirl softly into the white. For a natural look and organic feel, make sure that none of your nails look the same. You can make your stripes go in different directions, make more stripes on some nails, or make less on others, whatever looks good to you. Same as last time, you'll add in your grey, teal, black, and silver one at a time and swirl the colors softly into the white gel polish. Remember to clean your brush in between each color, otherwise your nails might end up one big muddy mess. You can play around with your marble swirls until you are happy with each nail. Remember, if you feel like you messed anything up, or if you don't like how it looks, just wipe the gel polish off with a lint-free wipe before curing, and then try again. Cure your polish for 60 seconds, and then next is deciding what to do on the ring finger. If you have your gel polishes on color sample sticks, it makes it much easier to decide which colors to pick. I can either use the teal or the dark grey color as the base for my ring finger, and after comparing the two choices, I rather go with the teal as it stands out more. Because I'm now working with a different color than my white polygel, I'm first doing a thin layer base coat, curing at 60 seconds, and then doing another layer of the teal. The second layer of teal must not be cured because I'll make the marble design on it by mixing the other colors into the wet teal layer. To make sure the marble design is visible over the dark teal color, mix a lot of the grey and black gel into the teal. Just continue swirling the wet gel polishes together. I'm not using any of the white polish for this nail, because it will be much more difficult to blend the white into all of your darker colors, and the white will look too bright for what I have in mind. Add in the silver, do touch-ups if needed, and cure your nail 60 seconds when done. Now let's have a close-up look at the marble patterns I did on my other nails. You are welcome to just copy mine, or get creative and paint however you like. And that's how easy it is to do a marble-inspired gel nail design. Once all your nails are done and cured, apply your top coat, cure 60 seconds, and then all that's left is to rub in some cuticle oil and cream. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press like, leave a comment and subscribe.